Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get around Smart App Control blocking you from opening a file, and then we're going to show you how to adjust the Smart App Control settings if you need to do so. So Smart App Control is used to block suspicious files so you don't open them on accident. And even though this is a genuine Windows ISO file, there is a way to kind of use ISO files to bypass security and try and infect your computer. So that's why you might get this blocked. So for example, I have this ISO file here and I want to mount it, and I click on Mount. And you can see this message here: Smart App Control blocked a file that may be unsafe, and you can't pick an option to allow it. You could just say OK or send feedback. So let's say you wanted to just allow this one file here and you don't want to mess with the Smart App Control settings. You could right click on it, go to Properties. Then on the General tab here, you have this box here to unblock it. And now you can see we can mount it. And then when you go back here, that box is going to be gone. So you can't re-block it once you unblock it. So there is a PowerShell command you can use to add the unblock checkbox back if you need to. So I'll put that in the description if you want to check that out. All right, so now let's take a look at Smart App Control. It's in the Windows Security Center. So right now it's on, and that's why it was blocking it. So normally when you first do a new installation of Windows, it goes into evaluation mode, and then it just kind of watches what you do to learn and decide if you should be using Smart App Control or not. So back in earlier versions of Windows, once the evaluation was done, it would decide for you if it should be on or off, and then you couldn't change it without reinstalling Windows or doing the reset your computer setting. But now they give you the option to actually turn it on or off on your own, which is a good thing. So if you come here and click on off, you'll get a UAC warning. You'll have to be an admin to do it. Now it's off, but this doesn't mean you won't have the problem if the file is still blocked. So let's say this one was still blocked and you tried to mount it. There's a good chance it would just show you nothing. So keep that in mind. So if you try and mount this file here, for example, and nothing happens, you're not seeing an error, you might want to check to see if it's blocked, because Smart App Control is not going to give you any warning because it's turned off. So if you're concerned about security, you can just come here and turn it back on, and then at least you'll see the warning that way, and you'll know that you need to unblock it rather than just having nothing happen and then trying to figure out if it's a problem with the file or some other problem with your computer. All right, so once again, just open the Windows Security, go to Smart App Control, check if it's on or off, and if you have a problem with your file here, just right click on it, go to the properties, and see if you have that unblock checkbox, and you can check that and at least work on your file and decide if you want Smart App Control controlling it or not. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.